How to free up storage on MacBook. Complete beginner tutorial. Is your MacBook constantly showing a storage almost full warning? Are you unable to update macOS or install new apps?
Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to free up storage on your MacBook safely and effectively.
These steps work on MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and most macOS versions.
First, let's check what is using your storage.
Click the Apple menu in the top left corner. Select About this Mac. And then go to Storage. Here, macOS shows a clear overview of what categories are taking up space, such as applications, documents, photos, and system data.
This helps you understand where to start cleaning. Next, let's remove unused applications.
Open the Applications folder and carefully look through the list. Many apps you no longer use may still take up several gigabytes of space. If you're sure you don't need an app, drag it to the trash. This is one of the fastest ways to free up storage.
Now, let's clean the Downloads folder. Open Finder, click Downloads, and sort files by size.
You'll often find old installers, zip files, videos, and documents you no longer need. Delete unnecessary files and then empty the trash. Speaking of trash, this step is very important. Files in the trash still use storage until they are permanently removed. Right-click on the trash icon and select Empty Trash. This can instantly free up a large amount of space.
Next, check for large files. In Finder, you can search for files larger than 1 gigabyte.
Large video files, screen recordings, and backups often take up the most space. Move important files to an external drive or cloud storage if you don't need them on your MacBook all the time.
You can also use iCloud to optimize storage. Open System Settings, click your Apple ID, then iCloud. Enable options like Optimize Mac Storage.
This allows macOS to keep smaller versions of files on your Mac while storing full versions in the cloud. Another helpful tip is clearing browser cache and old files. Browsers like Chrome and Safari can store a lot of data over time. Clearing cache occasionally can free up some extra space. After following these steps, your MacBook should have more available storage and better overall performance.
Freeing up space also helps your system run smoother and makes future updates easier to install. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.